Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 Jeep Cherokee 2.4. We're gonna be doing a battery and an alternator. It's the alternator right there. Battery and the alternator went bad, so we're gonna go ahead and swap that out and show you how we do it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Start with the battery. Got the terminals off. Went ahead and disconnected that plug. Right next we got this 10 mil down here. We should be able to move it now. Yep. Alright, we out. Got these two Phillips heads, get those out. 10 mil. Pull right up on that. Go ahead and take this out. Flathead or 8 mil. Squeeze this in. Pull the tab out. Pull this out.
There was no
Sorry about that, my customer came out. But yeah, you want to pull this out. Now you can see we got a lot more space and room. Get to that belt tensioner, which is right there. That's the tensioner right there. We got a 16 mil. Get down on there and pull up. Do it with one hand. Release that tension. Alright, now we can get to this alternator, top bolt, and bottom bolt. Alright, those two bolts at the bottom, holding the alternator in. Get that one out, and we can pull it out, and then we can get these connectors out. That's a 13 mil. Get that out. Then you got the little connector. Pull that red tab back. It'll come out. I'm gonna wait to put the terminals on. Alright, we're going back in with the alternator. Reverse order. Got everything hooked up. Go ahead and mount these bolts. Alright, we in there. Install that belt and the air box. Got our belt installed. Alright, we back together. Battery installed. Alternator. That's gonna be it for this video, man. Until next time, Pull-Up King.
motion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this. On guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.